think. I hope my laptop is working again now. Maybe just Misha give a thumbs up if the connection is fine and also the picture is fine. Hope everybody's good. Guys, only 35 people in a signal call. What the heck is going on? We had more than 60 in the German call before. This, I think, is the first signal call for the English-speaking community, and we only have barely 40 people. Guys, please take your phones, take your WhatsApp, text your people. This is important. This is another part of our XFusion product. Of course, it's not mandatory, but if done right, guys, I tell you, it's another game changer. So get your phone out, text your leaders again, text your people to at least have a look at what Michael and me gonna tell you in the next 30 to 45 minutes. German community was very open-minded. We have some good success stories already there ongoing. People, of course, slowly try it, and when they succeed, they, of course, keep going. So now we want to have the same thing also for the English-speaking community and the English-speaking group. So 1 more minute to text your people. Meanwhile, guys, please let me know in the chat, in the reactions, where is everybody from? I read a lot of African names, I think. Africa is in the house. Who's from Africa? Give some reaction in the chat. Then do we have some Bangladesh in the house? I barely see MD people. If I read MD, for what it stands, by the way, I don't even know. Do we have some Bangladesh people in the house? Do we have them? Then I see Holland with Rob. He was also in the German version. Now I think English is better for him. Russia in the house. Do we have Russian people? Any Russians here? Some. Okay. UK. Okay. We don't forget our UK people. Hello to UK. Okay. Wonderful. Without further ado, I think we jump in. I'm very excited to talk about that today together with Misha. Misha is a professional trader since 6 years. He's also the husband from Lisa, our top assistant. So he's very deep in the game. And he decided also to do the call together with me to talk about our second product, what we basically have. You know, guys, soon we will have also a third one with our card, but the signals are a major part from who's talking. Okay, the signals are a major part also from the XFusion game. So yeah, today we will have a look at it. So everybody of our now, I think more than 60,000 people in the community is making money through the copy trading, right? Is there anybody who's not making money through the copy trading? I don't know anybody. Everybody's making money through the copy trading. So, you know, guys, how the game works. It's fully passive. You connect to the trader, that's it. You connect it to Neo or Sonic, and that's it. And every day you go in and you claim your profit, or you reinvest it, or you withdraw it, whatever you want to do. But the second part of the signals is basically you can become a trader yourself, but without a years long education and process like Misha has, or our Neo trader has, or Sonic has, or some other good copy traders on the Tech Markets platform. You are basically just a student what is copy pasting, and that is what we do. And that is what I did also the last 3 months. And I can tell you at the start, I was very scared to do my own trades because I have never done anything before in Forex, and I have never done anything before in trading. And I never opened a trade by myself. So I went into the Signal group and I tried myself out. And after like maybe a day or something, I found out, hey, this is not very hard. The only thing what I have to do, and I repeat it, is copy paste. And therefore, we have our signal group. And we will check out now how you can open, that's the first step, how you can open your own so-called Amplify account that you can do the trades on your own. And therefore, we go into the Tech Markets back office, and we will not click the usual button, what we always use, and that is this one. So everybody knows copy X, right? There's our copy trade strategies. But there's another button. By the way, Academy button is also not bad. That is free education. But the thing what we want to click is Amplify. That is your first step. Log into your Tech Markets account. If you want to create a copy trading, a manual Amplify account, you click here, Amplify. And there's a little window. You can see it here, top left. And there you're going to put the amount, how much your trading account should be filled with. As you can see, the minimum amount is $10. Is $10 recommended? No. Why? We will talk about in a second. Misha will talk about it. I tell you already the amount, what we recommend you to start the copy, the signal trading with, and that is round about $500. That is our recommendation how you should start your manual account. Why? If it's too less, you don't have enough like playroom. Yeah, it can go really fast in the wrong direction and then your account is closed. If it's too much, you're risking basically too much. Even if you can manage the risk management, you should also not put too much. So round about 500 is recommended. We have also some people doing it with $300 or even $200. That is also working, but 500 is a very good amount. So after you put that in, you're just gonna click create, this green button, and then you will see on the bottom right, like round about here where my mouse is right now, you will see the Amplify account. Yeah, it says credentials. And with these credentials, you then gonna log in to your MetaTrader 5. Most of the people, I think, will do it with their phones. If people don't like using phones, you can use this version. I'm just gonna show you here. It's also in the back office. It's called MetaTrader 5. And then it's called Launch Web Trader. Yeah, this is what you can also use. And with the credentials, you then put in your MetaTrader 5 account, you are ready to take the trades. So now we will quickly hop in and we will discuss what we are trading, by the way. Who knows which currency pair our Neo trader is trading? Write it in the chat. Who knows what is Neo trading? Which currency trading pair is Neo trading, our copy trader? Who knows? Write in the chat. Euro. Yeah, euro is not bad. I'm from Georgia. Somebody texted me. That is also nice. Euro USD. Tim was right. From UK. Tim hit it first. It's Euro US dollar. That is what Neo FX is trading. With the signals though, we are not trading Euro USD. We're trading another currency pair called Gold USD. XAU USD. That is what we're trading. That is basically gold ounce to US dollars. Why are we trading this pair? Pretty simple. It is highly, highly, highly volatile. And you can make a lot there, but if you're not doing right, you can also lose a lot there. That is the second thing. So before we even go deeper, big disclaimer here. This is fully your responsibility what you gonna do. This is not copy trading. You are opening the trade, you're closing the trade, and you are setting the risk management and you are choosing the risk by yourself. And it's possible that you make 20-30% in one day. It's also possible, if you don't have a good risk management, that you will lose 50% in one day. And that is why I cannot repeat enough that if you want to trade the signals, you should do exactly what the signal is saying. Okay? And now we're gonna look at a signal, how that looks, and where you can find it, by the way, if you have never heard about it, where you can find it. It is in the signal group in Telegram. If you're not in that group yet, I think Lisa will post the link again so you can join the signal group. And please activate the sounds and the push notifications of your signal group, because your reaction time is round about, let's say, 2 to 5 minutes. Within 2 to 5 minutes after the signal is coming, you should have been in already. You're not running after it. So at this point, a little question. There was a signal before from, let's take this one, from 5 p.m. Are we still taking this signal, guys? Nope. We leave it. It's too far behind. So we only go in that signal when it's fresh. Then we go in. Now, I will swap over to my phone and I will show you how you will do it before Misha will explain you guys how you have to check the signal and which indicator words and areas you should be aware of. Misha, please. By the way, he's trading since more than 6 years successfully by himself. He has a lot of knowledge. I don't have any knowledge, but I still decided to do that call because 99% of you guys, I think, are not traders. And I want to show you guys with that even a person who has absolutely no plan, me, can still succeed in that when you correctly copy paste. Misha, please.
Hello, guys. Yeah, let's talk about the group. So, first of all, this is how our signal looks like. Yeah, we have to check. The first one we checked is, do we have a sell or a buy signal? It's on the top. Under that, there is high risk setup. It means it can go in a worst case and not the right direction we want to. So like put a small size to go inside if you want. After that, we look at the entry zone. And please, guys, only do a trade in the zone, not before, not after. If you do that, you check the stop loss and put it exactly into a trade. Yeah, not under, not upper, exactly that number that we have on the signal, put it inside, because it's not just a number, it's like completely help me out, Benny. Ausgerechnet.
Yeah, it's pre-calculated basically.
Yeah,
Like, guys, you
yeah,
should not put your own seasoning and interpretation of that signals. If you're a pro, yes, you can do it. If you see something, but if you have no plan like me, you rather go exactly what is written there.
right. So after that, we go to the TPs. So to take profits and just put it inside, and Benny will show you in a few minutes how it exactly goes. And that's it. That's
And
it,
that's
what
it.
you have to do. Just put your phone down and wait.
I'm gonna swap over to my phone now, and I will open my MetaTrader so you can see how it looks in an app, in the MetaTrader 5 app. If you don't want to do it on your phone, we already said you can also do it on MetaTrader web version. So this is my MetaTrader. And as you can already see, there's some things ongoing. There's some little candle. There is some numbers, yeah, lighting up and getting blue and red and everything. But first of all, we start again that you need to have the right trading pair. And this will be in the top left. You can see it, XAU USD. This is the one you're going to trade. Not euro, US dollar, not Czech crowns to British pounds or something. You're going to trade XAU USD. Okay. Second thing is where I have my cursor right now, where I'm playing around. This is the lot size. With what lot size you should start to trade? With the smallest, and that is 0.01. Not 0.1, not 1, not 0.11. It's exactly 0.01. Okay, that is the minimal risk what you should take if you have no idea and you're trying it out with the first time. If you're a more experienced trader, of course you can do more, but as we recommend it should be the 0.01. So after that, we are basically ready to go. We're locked in and we are ready for the signal. And if we go into the signal group right now again, where we saw before, I'm gonna check exactly for 3 indicators, and these will be this one. I have it open again now. Oh, you cannot see it because Telegram is blurring it. That is bad. But you saw it before, basically. It was a sell signal. It was in a certain entry zone. And then we're just going to copy what it's saying there. So first, what I check is it's a buy or it's a sell. Yeah. Misha, maybe you have a little thing what we can just trade live for our now 100 people, by the way. Very nice, guys. What we can show them.
Yeah, sure. Let me check a minute, and I would say we go on a buy, and the zone where the entry zone. Let me check. So the best way is 4437 to 443. Yeah, let's do 39. So something like inside. We can wait for 4437, I think.
Okay, guys, here you can basically see it on the top right because it's a buy. The price, you can see it's right now 4439.72 when I closed my mouth. And now I'm waiting for this little zone, what Misha just said, what is 4437. And once I see the number, I will just press on buy. So now it's running in the direction, I'm pretty sure. And whenever I'm in that direction, in 4437, again, check the top right, I'm just gonna press buy. We wait a bit. As you can see, it's very, very volatile. Oh, now it resetted a bit down. Huh?
So you
Maybe
can go inside if you want.
Okay, I'm going in. I'm pressing buy right now. Bam! And you see it. Right now, you see the position here. And what I do now is because we wanna protect our trade with a TP and a stop loss. I'm gonna put the numbers from the group. Michael, what is our stop loss in this mini signal from you?
Yeah, 4435.
4435. TP, we can just go on 40 or whatever, just to show. What do you think?
4440, yeah. But I think we take the stop loss now. Today is a very volatile day.
Yeah, maybe. I just gonna adapt it now. Now you see it, and my trade is basically set. That's it. Here you see it running. Yeah. And if I click on it again, I can press change position. Sorry, this is in German. It's basically the second one. Position ändern. And here you see my trade is set. I'm basically done. And now I can put my phone away and I can wait till this trade has gone through. That is basically it, guys. Not more, not less. And now I'm gonna swap back and I will show you the signal again and we will repeat what exactly is to do if you want to take the signal. Your phone is on loud, your push notifications are on, you see there's a signal. First thing, guys, what you check, is it a buy or is it a sell? These are your two first indicators, buy or sell. Then you know already where you have to press which button. Second is the entry point. Am I between, in the signal case, 4470 and 4473? If yes, you can press sell. After that, I just click edit on my position. I put the stop loss and I put the take profit. Then I press on change and I can put my phone away. That's it. Not more, not less. And Misha, maybe you can talk a bit about what is possible if you do this correctly in percent. Of course, it's not a promise, but that you just get an imagination. What is possible with this easy side hustle?
I don't want to say to you what we can do in percent. I will show you. Yeah, I will tell you some stories about the guys who already joined us and do that for some weeks. So for explain, we got one guy, he joined us with $250 deposit and he make in around 2 or 3 days with no experience, with nothing, just to copy and paste, around $300. So that was one of the guy. Another one was making around in 2 or 3 weeks. He start with $300 or $400 and make around 3,000 in a few weeks. Yeah, it's all about the market. Sometimes, some weeks, some days, it's going easy and it's like, yeah, you just put inside and wait for the take profits. But we have some of the days, like this week, it's a very high risk and very difficult to make a signal for you, because we don't just make signals like high risk or like a deeper stop losses for you, because you have not that experience that we have. And we are searching for a good entry price and for good stop losses and TPs that you guys can check it and do it and take some wins with you. Yeah, if you are
Also here, it's like risk management. That's what we definitely
of course.
recommend. Secondly, again, I cannot repeat it often enough. Take a money in there what you can lose. Literally. Anything can happen in that market, like Misha said. Within one day, you have to understand, guys, the volatility, especially in that currency pair, the ounce of gold to the US dollars is that volatile, you cannot even imagine. One world news can push the price up or down for $100. Like in the moment when America attacked Iran, or in the moment when they were talking about their ceasefire. Like these world political things are influencing the price like crazy. You know? So everything can happen.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
we
guys, do me a favor. If you start with the trading and with the signals, do me a favor, please. Take the stop losses, do it inside, take profits and put it all inside. That's not just a game. You can lose in a few seconds, can you lose all the money? And that's not the point that we want to show you and we want to do it with you. For us, it's like we will show you and we will explain you how it works, how it goes, and make you guys a little bit happier to, yeah, or like to go on a playground and yeah, and check it out. And maybe for some of you, it's like a new job or a new future. It's like the
exactly.
same me. Yeah, I started around 6 years ago, and it was like, okay, it's look nice. I will try it. And now, yeah, after many sleepless nights, I'm here, and that's just my work now. Yeah, and it makes me happy.
And it's
Maybe
not
one of you
the
guys
worst
is,
profit, huh?
yeah. Yeah, I lose so much, but I take the wins too, and I learn all the thing by myself, without a coach, without nobody, just me and the books and the market. So on here you got some, yeah, one group where you can learn it easier as me for the days before.
Exactly. We don't want to make it too complicated. That is it. Get your Amplify account if you want. Put some money there. Again, risk management. Copy paste the signals. Be careful with your lot and enjoy the signal group. That's it. Anything more to say, Misha?
Uh, no, I mean, thank you that you're here. It's happy to see that so many people are interesting into signals and into the new opportunity to, yeah, to make some money with us. Um, yeah, one more thing, just for the beginners, please use the smallest size to take a trade. Yeah, just learn it step by step. Just do it. Just check it out, how it goes, how it works. And after that, you can use your lot size what you want or what you think about to use. But at the start, please the smallest one and just test it and go inside. And if you are in, it goes easier for you, and you can use and play a little bit more.
Exactly. Good. Otherwise, we will do these kind of calls a bit more often now. As I said multiple times, it's a part of XFusion, also the signals. Thank you, Misha. Thank you for everybody coming. And yeah, next week I would like to have some results from the one or other person already.
Yes, and some questions, guys. Some
Yeah,
questions.
if
All,
there's questions, of course, ask the questions. Yeah,
of course.
sure. Ask your questions.
All right. Here, Kimberly. If you want to talk or you want to write it down, let's do.
Hi guys, I just wanted to share that your chat is disabled, at least in America. So I don't know if that makes any difference for people to ask questions, but I'm really excited. Do you record these calls or are they just live?
No, the calls are just live.
Okay, okay, thank you. We'll bring the troops again soon. Thank you for your time and so proud of you guys.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. Titi, I will activate your microphone.
Yeah, hi. Thanks for this call. Um, I am so sorry I missed the first part. Is there any way they can show us how we could actually load our account on Tag Markets to be able to join the Signal group?
Sure. I can
Please,
just
that'd
show
be
you
great. Thank you.
again real quick. No problem. You just log onto your account and then you click on Amplify. Usually we're using the Copy X section, but this time you just click on Amplify. And there you're gonna put the amount, how much you're gonna trade, for example, 500. Then you press create. After that, you will find your credentials on the middle right here. You take these credentials, you use them and put them into MetaTrader 5, username and master password. Server is, as always, as you know it also from this other thing, is t.m.financials. That's it. And then you're
Okay,
in.
then.
And then you
Thank you very
choose the
much.
trading pair XAU USD and you're done.
No problems. Thank you so much for that. Thank
Welcome.
you.
We have more questions. Yeah, King. King Roger. Nice to meet the King today.
Hello.
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 Yeah, my name is King Roger. So I just want to know the minimum. Is it 500? Okay, you put 300 in also.
You can start with $100.
Can start with $100.
Yeah.
Okay, then your lot is going to be 0.01. Or am I right?
Yeah. Well, every time you go with a less than 500s, you can do what you want. But just to explain, if you go with a smaller account than 500, you have only to use one trade per signal, not more, not 2 or 3 or 5. Because if you go on the stop loss, you can lose your money immediately.
Okay.
So
actually,
start with $100. Use the signals, but please only one trade per signal.
okay. But
Okay.
according to your knowledge, did I hear now that it's best to trade with 500? It's much better from 500 upwards.
Yeah, because I will explain it. Because if you start with like 500 deposit, you can start first just at the start. Use only one trade to check it out. After that, after a few days, if you're inside, you can use one or 2 or 3 trades per signal with the smallest lot size. And if we are going to the wrong direction, to the stop loss, you still have enough money to recover the losses and to make more money. That's
Okay.
the point, because we that's the point why we said like 500 is the best way to start and to see the results.
Okay. Then I think it's better 500 also. Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day and night.
you're welcome.
TD Sankofa wants to ask something. Let's go.
Yes, greetings from the Netherlands. Good evening. all.
Oh, Netherlands in the house.
Yes,
Ah, you're getting more people, huh?
yeah. I hope I
Nice.
may be eager to answer to three questions.
We try.
First of all, is it possible to set the take profit and stop loss before the entry?
You can use the market orders. We will show it the next time how it goes. You can do before the signal is arrived in the entry zone. You can do some orders opened and put the stop losses and the take profits inside, and that's it. And then you just wait to the zone, to the right direction, and if you're there, the trades are opened automatically and the stop losses and the take profits are inside from the beginning. We will show it the next time because I think it's too much information for one Zoom, guys.
Yeah, okay.
Some of you are new one and they have a lot of information and a lot
Yeah, I
to see.
understand. Yeah, I understand. It's because I already had some little training in trading, so that's why. The second question is which time frame to use? There has not been mentioned anything about that, the time frame.
Yeah, we use the 15 minutes time frame for the signals because we have enough time to put the signal inside and you guys have enough time to react.
Okay,
So
15 minutes.
yeah, we are talking about 5 minutes and 15 minutes. It's just if you want to see the market, use that for first.
Okay, and then the last one, a graphically setting of the take profit and stop loss should be faster, according to my experience also, or would you recommend to do this still through via the edit setting window, as I
You
demonstrated in here?
You have two points how you can take it. The first one, if you make a order, like if you go on a sell or on a buy, on the top, these two buttons.
Yeah.
You see that on the screen, the trade. If you click on that, and if you click on that, on the downside of the phone, you see some buttons like SL and TP. If you press them, you can take the line and set take profit and TPs. That's a faster way.
Yeah.
But it's not exactly. You can use it also, or you're going to the second side and press on the trade and do the numbers inside.
Yeah. I've noticed that when you do it graphically, it can be quite challenging to put it exactly. It's quite sensitive. Yeah. Okay, thank you for this response. Thank you.
Welcome.
Seems like we got it, right, guys? No questions anymore. Let's keep it short and simple. Not confuse anybody too much for the first session. That was the first English signal call. We will have more of these where we can go more into detail. For now, get your account ready, set your lot size, and just copy paste what you will find in the group.
Wait a minute. We got some questions here in the chat.
Okay.
So how many signals per day? It's every day it's a difficult one, different one. Sorry. Sometimes we got around 2, 3, or 5 signals. If the day is good, we can make more. Sometimes we don't trade, like yesterday. It was too high for us, and we got some things to do with the trader for you. So that was we skipped, and it's a new information. We talked to him, and I will give it now to you. The Fridays, we will share some signals on Friday. But guys, if you are new on this one, just skip the Friday because it's every Friday is a high risk. We will share some signals for people who are already inside and know how it goes. But I mean, if you want, you can use it too, but please, it's high risk on Fridays. Yeah. Okay. Do you also move your stop loss? Yes. The trader give you an information like TP1 is hit, TP2 is hit, and after that you see that you're writing down stop losses, stop loss moving to B entry. And guys, do that please, because then if you done that point and you are inside with the stop loss inside the entry zone, you are risk free. That's expensive. Let's see, bios limit. You can put some limits. Can you place a buy or sell limits? You can put some limits. You can put some orders and just wait. So on the Telegram group, you see it in the chat. So yeah, at the beginning, use only one trade per signal. Because I mean, if you start with a bigger account, you can use more. You can use 3 or 5, whatever you like. But with a small one, only one, please, and that auch with the $500 accounts. If you want to check and understand how it goes, use only one and take the first or the second TP. Just check it out, and if you're inside, it's going easier for you, and you can do it faster, and you can use more. So the risk factor on the stop loss, it's calculated. We are calculating about 1%, but we got some stop losses already. It's normal, not so much, but we have some, and the most loss we have was around 0.4%. Can we have the trade ideas on limits? What exactly do you mean? Well, you're here. So, okay. Time zone is European time. What is there on instant arms? You can do limits, or if I understand it right, Benny, can you maybe explain? Maybe I don't understand it right. You can do some limits, and you can do some instant orders. Yeah, like push the bottom and they're inside. Yes, and the limits, of course, we will show it on the next Zoom.
Yeah, it's not for the first. It's not for
Yeah.
the first call. The first call was check the range, check if it's buy or sell, put your stop loss, put your TP. That is, and how to create your account. That is today. Everything else we do the next time.
Right.
Keep it simple for today, first day. Yeah.
Right. So 2 more questions. Ronhill, you're waiting too long. Now.
I have been trading the demo for a while, and it was working pretty well. But since they were doing some work on the platform, I can't get back in it. And when I go back and check my password login, it's not taking it anymore. Is it that I have to do a new one or what?
Is it still active? How long do you have the demo account?
It's active. It was active. It's just since they had the problem last week, and since it came back, since the whole program came back, I can't log in anymore. It's just that coming up when I launch it.
Okay. Yeah, the easiest way, you can do another one. It's a demo. Yeah, just delete the old one and make a new one, and you can start again. Because the demo accounts, mostly they are just like running around 1 month.
Okay, but I have I was wondering if I put in my my manual trading account, because I have that. If the MetaTrader would come up at all, because nothing comes up. I have the Amplify, but I haven't traded it yet. But I need the charting to trade it.
The MetaTrader.
Yes, it's a MetaTrader that's not coming up.
Yes, maybe it's it have some problems with the MetaTrader.
Okay.
Because for a few days I think it start on Monday. We all have some problems with it. Now it's working, but still, I think still not enough. So like not for everyone. Maybe we got some problems inside.
Okay, because since I saw you guys brought it up, I said, well, why am I not coming? So that's why I said, let me ask you. Okay, I'll wait.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, Titi, you again. Let's go.
Yeah, again, yeah, I'm sorry about this. Yeah, because I've got a group, you know, with my downlines. I need to copy and paste your instructions, but it's not allowing me copy. You've disabled it, so I can't copy and paste to my group. You know the instructions where it says that. Yeah, I need to actually copy and paste that into my group. Can you actually give me, enable it so I can copy and then paste in my WhatsApp group?
Can you write to Lisa in the...
Is he on the call?
She is not inside now. Can you write to
how is
Lisa
it going to enable it then if
and
it's
she
not
will
there?
send you all the things, because it's we are blocked on a group for all of you, because some of you guys, or not some of you, some of the guys who is inside, they are still copy and paste our signals, and that's not the point.
No, I'm not talking about
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I
Just
just want the instructions
please.
you put in this group chat, in this Zoom chat. I just need to copy and paste it to give to my group so they know about it. So I'm not copying your signals, but just the instructions.
No. I don't talk about you. I talk about the guys in the group. So okay, Lisa is offline. So if you do me a favor, please, write Lisa the things you need complete, and she will send you.
Okay, what's that? Where do I message her from? Where and where?
In the chat, here in the Zoom chat, I share with you my contact is community support. You can write me there. I will read it. Maybe Misha can copy and paste. One moment, please. Here,
that one.
Okay.
This one.
Thank you.
So
you can write your CU number and M.T.A account and the problem, and we would help you. Yes.
Okay, guys. Misha, you please answer the rest of the question. It's 8. I have to go.
Yeah.
Next one. And see you guys next week. Thank you for your time. Thank you, Misha, also.
All right, all right. Benny, see you.
Warte, teil das jetzt. Moment.
All right, Kolapo.
Hast du geteilt?
No, I'm just doing it.
Yeah, thank you. I want to ask, which time frame do you recommend or suggest for the traders?
We talk about 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes you can use. It's easier to see what's going on and to understand. Sometimes I can't copy that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the best. You can use also the 30 minutes time frame. What you more like? It's
But follow the updates from the trader.
yeah.
Sometimes it's happened that he write update, I close now or something before.
Okay. You see the XFusion notification in the chat because I can't copy and paste it. So that's what you mean, right? Okay, we do it otherwise. All right, guys. Some more questions? I will send you the support link.